Hey, what's up guys? As you can see, I got the car jacked up again and the wheel off. And a new box of parts. In here we got sway bar inmates, front and back. Right now I'm going to do the front ones. I think that's probably what's causing the wobble that's left. Hopefully that's the only thing. Because you can get a whole kit. I should have known this, but I've never had to do this before. All the stuff I've ordered plus the lower control arms for like $150. And yeah, there's not many things left that can be causing the wobble that I have right now. So here's one of the end links right here. Looks like it is indeed the right part from Amazon again. I got the front and the back for $30 basically. Prime 2-day shipping return. So let's go ahead and see if we can get this guy off of here. Hey, you see the boot? See how the boot's messed up? I saw that when I was changing the inner tie rod or something, and I'm like, well, obviously that's busted. I'm thinking this whole arm is next. But here we go. Let's grab the golden ratchet here and see if we can break her loose. I have no leverage here. New one has a much less serious looking nut on it, but whatever. Let's see if I can just break this one loose right here. Or am I gonna have to crawl up under there? I guess I'm crawling up under there. The video I saw on how to do this was only 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Of course, they were set up perfectly, you know. I'm not trying to compete with that. I'm just saying that it should be easy. Knock on whatever. You did have to like grab. I wasn't able to get. Video I watched, surprisingly, was like an older one. A lot of the videos, these part makers, they make these videos, and the car's like brand new. They've already taken everything apart before. But this video is actually a well-used car. I don't feel much wiggle room here, so I don't see how this is going to be easier. You know? Like, how am I supposed to get this out of here? Do I need to have both sides jacked up? Or I need to lower this or something? Hey, what's up guys, we're back, and yeah, I'm pretty sure we need to jack up both sides. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna jack up both sides because there's too much tension on the sway bar. Damn, that pin went all the way fucking through. Bastard. What the fuck? Oops. Sorry, users. That's why, because it goes in, has to go in the right direction apparently. Otherwise, you die. It's a Harbor Freight guarantee. Well, maybe I want more than that. Alright, be right back, guys. Go on the other side. Do you think that the car will stop wobbling after this?
I don't know. Yes. Yes, it will. It's gonna be perfect.
In the bed? What was that?
What was that?
I don't know. Maybe I can't. Probably this jack slipping around.
No, it didn't come from there. It came from further out of your side. Was it that?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna jack it up all the way if I don't have to. I don't wanna, yeah, that's fine. Why is this like this? Yeah. Okay. Oh, I got it all, but whatever. Yeah, so that jack is only so powerful, right? So I only use that jack to pump up one side at a time. So I probably shouldn't put too much weight on it. But that came out really easily, guys. Whoa. It stays on that side, I guess. I thought this was a washer for me. Nope. What are the chances it's the same size? 0. That's the chances. Do you think it's 3/4?
Better be. Butterbean.
I don't know. Seems like it. That doesn't look good. What the hell is it? There you have it, folks. Look at that. Check this out. Oh my gosh. You think that's the Wobble, huh? This is supposed to be super strong. Like this one even. This one's even. Well, it's not. For a car, that's nothing. Check this out, guys. Here. Give you a front. Here's an old one. This is the most blown out piece I've inspected so far on this whole process. All the tie rod ends. This side, not nearly as bad, but still horrible. Okay, let me show you. Whoop, over here. Wrong way. Here. Here's the new one, guys, and yeah. Like, there's no movement like that. If we bolted this to something, we could certainly, I might be able to move it, you know? Yeah, I could move it. But.
You found it.
Yeah, not like that.
It's a Wobble.
You'd think, hopefully. Every part we replaced has some kind of like ball or whatever joint it seals, and they've all been broken. But we need to tighten this one down a bit more before we go on to the other side. I'm liking that. That felt good. Oops. I need to get on the other side of this thing. Why does that feel so much tighter than the other side was? I think that's good. I don't know why it's so easily so tight, but it's pretty tight. Well, guys, I'm actually gonna do the other side now, and it's darker over there, so I think that's enough. I'll let y'all know if the wobble's gone yet, and I'll be back working on more things like this car as soon as this one stops trying to kill me on the road.